What would you say if I told you that by the end of this video, you will learn how to get your child to not only share something that they find highly valuable, but willingly offer it to someone else first? Well, in this video, I'm going to do exactly that. So the first thing you want to do is to create motivation for something your child really wants, whether it's chocolate, ice cream, or a toy. If they're already showing interest, you can go straight to the next step, which is number 2, introduce a second high motivation item as a choice. But make sure there's some degree of difference in motivation level. For example, with ice cream, you can give a choice between a big scoop of ice cream or a little scoop of ice cream. Now, you and I both know that any child will choose the big scoop of ice cream if presented with that choice. And that's exactly what we want, because this brings us to number 3, get them to give the other choice to someone else, such as a sibling or another parent, before you give them what they want. Keep in mind that the item they're giving away is still going to be a high motivation item. It's just not as highly motivating as the one that they have chosen. You can make this decision easier or harder by simply adjusting the degree of difference between the two choices. Obviously, a big scoop of ice cream and a little scoop of ice cream is an easy choice to make, and most children should be able to do that quite easily. Over time, you'll want to make this harder and harder for your child so that they eventually see the value in sharing or even giving a highly desirable item to someone else simply because it's a nice thing to do.